Jazzy. Jazzy.
Tippy's putting up with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're becoming pretty good friends.
We'll be gentle.
Oh.
Pat.
Probably because Tippy's been threatened to the rooms of the life of the timetable.
Really good with her. That's funny. Of all the dogs, you picked her?
Yeah.
Ooh, you like that, huh? Ooh, is it so good? Ooh, scratch it.
I'm going to hump you now.
Yeah, right.
Jess.
Look like a cheap blonde young guy.
Jess.
Come here.
Good girl, Jazzy. Look at the camera.
Jazzy.
Jazzy. Good girl. Look at the camera.
You.
Yeah. Blind dog. Look at the camera.
Yeah.